Good morning, everyone. My name is Biral Khalid. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We know today is 15 August. India got freedom on 15 August 1947. But we do not know how India got freedom. When British Empire came in India and they planned to keep India in their kingdom. Then Tipu Sultan alayhi Rahma said, when I am present in India, nobody can say India is my country. After the death of Tipu Sultan alayhi Rahma, the general of British Empire said, India is my country from today. But they do not know our grandparents will not give India. They give our life, but they do not give India. Just like Maulana Qasim Nanotwi Rahmatullah alayhi, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani Rahmatullah alayhi, Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Dahlwi, Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dahlwi, Nawab Sirajuddaulah, Mufti Kifayatullah, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. They give their life, but they do not give our India. We know after that, India got freedom in 15 August 1947. India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, flashed off in Bradford. We are proud to be a part of independent India and we are largest democracy in the world today. Thank you for listening to me. Speaker Gyan Mujib, David Mujib.
MashaAllah.